Welcome to your Koala Studio's All-in-One Embroidery Studio Assembly Guide. To install a caster, place the lock washer on the caster stem. Thread the caster stem into the cabinet and tighten with the included wrench, snug but not overly tight. You should also assemble casters to the gate legs now. All casters should be unlocked during installation to avoid any damage to the casters themselves. Carefully lift the cabinet off the support blocks and rotate it upright. Avoid pivoting on the caster wheels. There's an included footrest option for added comfort. Install the casters on the smaller footrest board just like you did on the bottom of the cabinet. Then slide it into place under the cabinet. Lock the caster to keep it stable. Choose your most comfortable footrest height and secure the included feet to the bottom of the larger footrest board if preferred. Also included in the All-in-One Embroidery Studio is a separate outback leaf you will need to attach. With your partner, lower the leaf into position by placing the gravity hinge hooks onto the base bracket at the same time. Lift the outback leaf up and swing the gate legs into position. Under the outback leaf, lock the hinges securely with the gravity hinge lock by turning the black plastic piece into position. And that's it. Your Koala Studio sewing cabinet is ready for action. Happy sewing!